What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. So let's get right into it. Many of us have faced this problem that our TikTok isn't letting us get to link with our Instagram account. So all you need to do is head over to edit profile, and here you will see an option add Instagram. Here, all you need to do is give your email address and your password, and your Instagram will be linked with your TikTok. And if it doesn't happen, you can also just go to Instagram or TikTok Help Center and ask help from them. And let me show you the Help Center. Head over to the hamburger menu and go to Settings and Privacy. Here, if you scroll down, you can see support a problem. You see option report a problem. Go to report a problem, and there just go to any of them, just like report. Then just ask TikTok to let you link your Instagram account. Hopefully TikTok will just head over to you within 24 to 72 hours and your problem might be solved. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.